Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Bachelor special chicken pepper fry. Let's take a cooker, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, let's add 3 big onions, finely chopped. The onions should turn light brown in color. While sauteing the onions, let's add required amount of salt. Mix it well. After sauteing the onions, we are going to add half kg of chicken. I have washed it thoroughly. Let's add the chicken to the onions and fry it until chicken stock gets released. Meanwhile, we shall grind the masala paste required for this dish. This is very simple to prepare. Just by frying onions, adding chicken and then the masala will give you extraordinary taste. Please do try it at home. After 2 minutes of frying the chicken, let's add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix the ginger garlic paste well with the chicken and keep it on medium flame for frying it. Meanwhile, let's grind the masala paste required for this dish. Take half cup of coconut, 1 big onion, 2 green chilies, handful of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons fennel seeds, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cloves and 2 to 3 elaichis. Add some water. After 15 minutes, let's open cooker. Our chicken is perfectly cooked. Please enjoy with your family, and if you like it, please you can have this as a side dish for chapati, rice, roti, dosa, anything. After 15 minutes, let's open the cooker. Our chicken is perfectly cooked. Please enjoy with your family, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.